Do you know how to use the word whether accurately? You tend to use this word typically when you have two elements in an indirect question. This is the case, for example, here. I don't know whether I'll go on holiday or I'll stay here. You have two possibilities and you don't know whether it'll be this one or this one. It is true that in this case, you could also use the word if. I don't know if I'll go on holiday or I'll stay here. However, when you have these two options and you have one of these indirect questions, this is perhaps more suitable. Another example of an indirect question will be, she didn't tell me whether she liked it or not. Or for example, it's not clear whether it will rain or it'll be sunny. One final indirect question would be, we will never know whether he robbed the bank or not. Or we'll never know whether he robbed the bank or it was someone else. However, when you have a conditional sentence, you can't use whether. This is not possible because whether does not indicate a condition. You have to say, if you want to go to the cinema, we need to leave now. Or any other conditional linking word. But you can't use whether here. Similarly, when you are giving two possibilities, but this is not after an indirect question, as is the case here, you couldn't use whether here. The word you need here is either. You can either buy a house or rent it, but you couldn't use whether here, because this is only used when you have two possibilities after an indirect question.